Looks nice out here, but it's deceptive. There's way too much wind going on to make it a nice day. Temperature's up around 20 Fahrenheit, which is fine, but yeah, that's what I don't like about these doors. A little bit of sunshine, freezes up down there, and I can't open it. So I keep a strategically placed crowbar out there for that purpose. Anyway, gotta plug in the old Massey to put a bale of hay out for the cattle in about an hour, a little less. I don't know if you can see anything on the camera, but it's pretty dark in here. There we go. It's not super cold at 20, but it's a whole lot easier on the starting system, battery, etc., with a little preheating. All right. Now while that's working, I have to do a little cleanup at the far west bale feeder. And what's our best path there? It's going to be heavy walking either way. There is a tractor trail if I wanted to follow that, but it's more than double the distance, and a lot of it's out in the open in the wind, which is not the greatest. So we'll take the bush trail. Yes, I'm still coughing. My cold is quite a bit better than it was a week ago, or even 3 days ago, but it's got a ways to go yet. Trying to find the path of least resistance here. I think my trail needs a little trimming. Oh man, dead branches every which way. We got a forest of little carriganas coming up here, which I guess is better than nothing. It will stop the wind. That's some big tracks. Hopefully not one of my cattle. Probably a big deer or a moose. Starting to feel the southeast wind about now. I'm getting just a little bit far away from the tree line back there. Anyway, let's see what we got here. Some of these old bales have some rotted material on the bottom that obviously the cattle are not going to eat. Plus I got a whole bunch of twine to wind up and remove. So I will commence to doing. Look at these little volunteer evergreens. They obviously spread from the hedge over there. Hope they survive. And what's everybody doing in here? Yeah, you know where the comfortable spot is, don't you? Well, I think I cleaned this one out this morning, so yeah, they're pretty much down to the bottom of the barrel here. Well, old Massey should be ready to roll shortly. Maybe put a bale of straw in the shelter too. Looking a little bare. Oh, that southeaster is miserable. There you go. Okay. And there's tomorrow morning's pail. And I know somebody else will be looking for their supper too, even though it's only 4:30. Yes, the starving cats. That's what I'm talking about. You wouldn't know, I just fed you a few hours ago. Bunch of hungry cats there. Okay, let's hope everybody gets in for a drink without letting the trough run over. Trough's half full of ice anyway. Okay, the trick now is to get out of the house without cats breaking in. And there they are. Alright, let's go. Don't get in the way. I'll stomp you down. Let's try out that new light bulb. Oh yeah, that's much better. What a starving bunch you are. There, should keep you happy for a while.